Oh. There you go, fish on. Man, these guys absolutely destroy these peanut bunkers. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. We've got Scott in the background. We got Josh at the helm. As you can notice, we are in hoodies. It's finally starting to chill down here in the great state of Delaware. It's about mid-September, and we're in about 55 degrees worth of weather. Quite breezy today. So we're coming out here on the mighty Nanticoke, and we're going to try to get some big kitties on the end of the line. Josh, he is going to go ahead and try to find some drop-offs and some deep areas. And we got great bait here. We got worms. We got some chicken livers, which worked well when me and Euro went fishing up in the Susquehanna there, Maryland. There's going to be some challenges here with the wind right now. It's going maybe 10, maybe 15 mile an hour and some gusts, but we're going to try to find some protected areas and anchor up, and hopefully when we drop that line, it doesn't take too long for the tug. Josh was using the cast net and got a perfect size bluegill here. We're going to go ahead and toss it out into the middle of the channel, and hopefully chunk comes along and gets that. As I mentioned to you, Josh threw the cast net over the side, and this is what he's got here, these tiny little peanut bunker. So Scott's going to throw one on in his line right there, and I don't know if that was a hit or not. It looks like a hit, maybe. But these are the bait fish that are flying around here, and we're going to be hopeful that we hit some kitties along the way.
Can't ask for better than a natural bait.
All right, but the chicken liver doesn't seem to be hanging on the hook very well, even with the magic thread here. That's the stretchy line that we use.
Oh, I hit him.
Guy, she goes. Scott's got her.
Bunch of little dinkers out there munching on my bunker.
That bluegill, man, cause
The thing?
Yes.
Ah, I missed him. I don't know if I still got bait or not.
Change my approach.
I know he is there. Come off. He's swimming towards me. It's actually a channel cat. Yeah.
Sure is.
You got a couple spots and fork tail.
There you got fish on. Oh, that's a good one. There you go. That's a mud. There you go, bud. Or a flathead. What is that, bud? Flathead or mud? Mud? All right, man. Off the mud goes. Look at a small boat, guys, and they got 4 dudes on it. That's a lot of weight on there. Something's nibbling me here. Takes all kinds, brother. Oop, I think he got me.
Oh. Damn.
Yep, I'm kind of jacked up here. Got it. Got him?
Yep. You want him?
Go for it, man. You got him. You hooked him. All right, you good? Yeah, y'all better.
Oh, I did that backwards.
Oh, fish on. There we go. Man, I love them peanut bunkers. Little kitty cat. All right, man. Let's hope they get bigger.
Talker.
Yeah, it sure is. Clickety clack, clickety clack. Saying put me back.
Ain't purring.
Off she goes. They hit them things with some ferocity, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. There you go, fish on. Man, these guys absolutely destroy these peanut bunkers. Stay out of that motor, stay out of that motor. There you go. Good deal. About the same size. Off she goes. All right, Josh, we went through ours already. You on?
Yep, fish on.
Scott's on. Get him, bud. He's digging.
He's digging his heels in.
Lead him over that way, bud. There you go, spinner. Yeah. All right, good deal. Back to back kitties. Good thing he switched up to the smaller circle hook instead of the J hook he had. Come on, buddy, let go.
With the
Yeah, I got it.
Got it.
Yep. Boom. All right, Josh. But all we're doing is just going right here, right at the lateral line, put it on the circle hook, and they are smashing the crap out of this bait.
Oh, I'm going deeper down on the body.
Eagle Eye Josh caught that little flurry going on. He's still trying to catch some moors. Go that way, bud, because the tide's going out that way. Wait for this boat to come by.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Scott's on, man. He's got a load on. Come on, buddy. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Hit that.
Oh, that's striper, striper, striper. Keep it in the water, keep it in the water, keep it in the water. All right, nice job, buddy. All right, we've got a striper on the peanut bunker. Good deal. That's about 20-incher, maybe, close.
Too bad short.
Right. All right. Good deal. That's an unusual catch for us here. Not to say we would not catch striper on the peanut bunker here.
A little bit.
We'll get one with you with the fish in your hand there, buddy. Let's go ahead and get the board. See what he measures out to be.
Yo.
All right, hold that there for me, bud. And it's pinched to tail, right, bud?
21.
All right. And we have a
21.
Almost 21-inch striper right there off the peanut bunker. Oh Lord, he's biting me. All right, we're gonna get a picture for Scott so he can have it for his folks. Turn your hands all that way. Use that hand. Put that down. And use your thumb. There you go. Pinch hard. Pinch real hard.
I thought you were joking when you said.
And then put this, just right down your hands, right here, all the way over here, where my fingers are at, right here. And just cradle it and just hold it. You don't like holding fish, do you?
No. Fish I'm not terribly familiar with.
And just bring it closer to the body. And raise it up a little bit, bud. There you go, perfect. Just keep it right there. All right, buddy. Toss them in there. Let me get over. Oh, you got them over there ready? And
there he goes.
So you're swimming away. Good job, buddy. A little fist bump on that one. That's a out of the blue catch. Good job, Scott, on that striper right there. Not unusual for them to hit on peanut bunker as well, bigger bunker. That is one of their primary foods that they like to eat.
It's on. There we go. Oh, I think he came off. Or no, he's swimming towards me. Oh. Another kitty fish.
All the peanuts, right?
Yep. You see how his mouth is smaller than you'd expect. Wish we'd get some bigger ones. I'd like to keep a couple to eat, but I want them to be big enough that the fillet is worth cutting off. We're using peanut bunker for bait, and I've caught them with this cast net. It's just your cheap 4-foot cast net from Walmart. So you coil the string, make sure it's around your wrist, grab the net about a foot down, get the lead line, hold it over your finger, gather up the weight of the net in your throwing hand, and so you're going to turn this over, and when you throw the net, basically you're throwing this heavy part of it kind of out and across, and that'll carry the net into an open position. Then you just wait, you look for the fish, see them. Okay, I just saw some flicker out in front of the boat, so that was a lousy throw, by the way. But I do see some fish in the net. So you let it sink all the way to the bottom, you pull the string, it closes up the lead line. And despite being a lousy throw, still got a pretty good haul of peanut bunker. And then you just kind of shake the net, and the fish are going to want to fall inside the net. So you shake the net and they'll fall down the length of the net into the bucket. This is a better bite.
Oh, that's a big fish. For real? All right. Need a net? I think he's got a nice one on.
Might be a striper.
Oh yeah, it's a big.
Oh, that's a big cat. That's a big cat.
All right, good looking kitty here. Nice. There you go, Josh. Good deal.
Another one's getting bit too.
Oh, the handle
There,
fell
scoop.
off. Oh Lord.
There you go. There's a dinner cap for you. There, I'm cutting another fish on my other rod.
Grab the camera, see the picture and everything else. Yeah, it's close, maybe 8, 10, close. Right there next to the foot there.
Dan needs that scale. Gotta weigh him.
So got a good looking kitty right here. Oh, she's making some noise.
See that hooked right in the corner of the mouth like a circle hook do.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
It's a good sized fish.
Right?
I can't grab him. I'm gonna have to put my hands in his gills to get a hold of him. Big fat head.
There you go. Good job, Josh.
Thank you.
Took us a couple hours to get to that big old blue.
Come on now.
You just don't want to open up.
Open your mouth. Just figured it pretty bad. Okay.
Nice looking cat there, Josh. Grab him up on the gills. Gonna keep that one, bud?
Yeah, we'll keep this one.
All right, what do we got here, buddy? And give me a little spin there.
Oh, it's disappointing.
5'8".
Yep.
All right, let's get a couple shots of that, and Josh is gonna take that home for dinner.
I'd swear it was bigger, but
Yep, it is what it is.
Huh? What is it?
5.5.
5.5. Josh is on.
They have a little bit more of an aggressive of a bite too.
Is that another nice one, bud?
Yeah.
All right. Give me a net there, buddy. Lead him over here, bud. All right, watch yourself, Scott. So he's gonna lead him over here. Need a net or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna get him to you.
All right, buddy.
All right, get out of here.
All right. Man, that's a long one, bud. Is that a channel? I think that's a channel, bud. That is definitely a channel. All right. We caught 3 different species of catfish today. This is a nice channel. It's the biggest one I've seen in quite some time. Myself, that is, personally. All right, hand that to Josh. Josh, go ahead and reel up, bud. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Scott's gonna hand it around to you. You want to keep this, bud? Yeah, he's a good size, but oh, he's a good size right here. Look, above the up Bimini.
I can't see. You're gonna take it up there. It's cooler anyway. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we got, again, 3 species of catfish right here. This is a channel catfish. The way you know that is, again, one obviously has got a very much more elongated body, but if you can look right here, you can see all the spots that are right along the length of the fish, and Josh will probably tell you a couple things about it too, the anal fins and everything else, because I don't know all that. He knows all the ins and outs, but we're going to hand that to him because that's going to be dinner too. Got it. We got 3 species of catfish. We're not going to probably see flatheads and white catfish in here, but that's primarily the 3 species you're going to see in this area. But that's pretty cool to catch 3 different kinds. But we still want that giant blue. The biggin. Oh boy, there you go. There's another nice one, buddy. Where's the net? Where's the net? Oh, have me. You on 2?
Yep.
Doubled up? You need a net, bud?
No, I got it.
All right. Doubled up, man. Josh had one. Scott got one. Looks like another, what do we got there? Blue?
Yeah. I think so. I don't see any spots.
Yep, it's definitely blue. There we go. No shortage of catfish today.
Fish on.
You got one too?
Yep.
We're gonna call him flag, guys.
Oh, stripey.
Oh, another striper. Good job, buddy. Nice.
Too bad they got to be 28 to keep right now.
We ain't quite reaching that.
Come on, buddy. Simmer down now. Here we go. This 20-inch striper. Back he goes. Pow. And away he goes.
Well, I think we had a productive day today. Scott, my man right there, he got a striper on the end of the line. Josh got a striper too as well. And we got a multitude of species of catfish on the end of the line. At first, we tried to throw a whole bunch of baits out there. We had chicken livers, we had worms, we even had a live bluegill out there. We just could not get that bite going on. But we moved a few hundred yards down the way off the ramp we were fishing at, and that's when things picked up because Josh had the bright idea to put the cast net out there because he saw peanut bunker rolling around. And thank God he got those because they were absolute candy to all of the catfish and striper we caught in this episode. So great job, Josh, for recognizing the environments, which is what you're supposed to be doing when you're out there. But we got at least a couple dozen catfish on there. We had some muds, we had channels, we had some blue catfish. Josh got the biggest one, almost 6 pounds. But I was just surprised just to see the striper come up on the line. But great job, gentlemen. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed that episode. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell. That way informed of all of our future episodes. Follow us on Instagram at 302 Fishing. If you can follow us on TikTok too, because it's new now, 302 Fishing with a 7. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, and I hope to get to see you on the next episode.